This amazing property has 5 acres, seasonal stream, home, insulated shop, and a 2-car garage. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and an open concept floor plan. The kitchen sports granite countertops and a breakfast bar. The owner's bedroom has a walkout to the balcony overlooking the deck and property. There is a bedroom and a bath downstairs and 2 bedrooms and a bath upstairs. The outdoor living is enhanced with a large deck. The meandering seasonal stream is picturesque and adds a nice ambiance to the property. The wooden platform can serve as a seating area under the trees or as a platform for an above ground. And the house and garage are nestled in a grove of large oak trees. There is also an in-ground storm shelter. A fenced backyard gives your pets room to romp in a shaded area. Paved access is in place on the north and south side of the property. For more information, call today.